All right. First archery turkey hunt. I'm in the same place I got my turkey last year. And I just got my blind all set up. I kind of brushed it in. I think I got a pretty good setup here. I got 2 decoys out in front of me, and I haven't even called yet. And I went turkey hunting last weekend and got into some birds and never did get them called in. And after doing a bunch of YouTube in this last week, I think I overcalled. That's a thing, you can almost compare this, from what I've learned, you can almost compare this turkey hunting to coyote hunting. Okay, so don't overcall. I mean, that's a thing with coyotes too. So today I'm just gonna call very little. So let the decoys do the work. Turkeys have amazing vision, binocular vision. So let those decoys do the work. It's so hard not to call. I can't help it. I've been in here about an hour and a half. I'm starting to go through the snacks. I think I'll sit until I completely run out of snacks. And then it's turkeys, okay? If this was deer, it's like, oh, daylight to dark, hardcore, right? But it's not. It's turkeys. So I'm just saying, when I run out of snacks, we will we'll regroup. I've been trying to not call much, like every 10 minutes. I'm just waiting for that gobble, you know what I mean? You hit the call, and then just the answer from a turkey. I don't want to do it because I'll look and sound like a fool, but you know what I'm talking about. You hit that call, and then just boom, they fire right back right away. When I hear that, that means we're in business. Okay, something ridiculous just happened. So I've now been in here for 2.5 hours about. I get a call. I get a call about my credit card being compromised. I didn't answer it, of course, but then they left a voicemail, so I thought, well, it might be important, right? And it was a call about my credit card being compromised. Well, it just so happens that the company I work for sent me an email a couple days ago saying that they've been hacked and that my information was compromised. So I knew that the call that they were thinking was fraud, was definitely fraud. Anyways, so I call them back while I'm on the phone. While I'm on the phone with the fraud department, I start hearing gobbling behind me. And he's been going off. He sounds like he's probably about 200 yards behind me. I'm backed up against, I'm set right on the edge of a river, and he's on the other side of the river, gobbling. Now, I told you I wasn't going to call a whole bunch. So I'm trying so hard not to call back at him, but it's fun because I hit, while I was on the phone with the fraud department, I was calling, and I called at him, and he answered, and then he gobbled a couple more times, and I called at him, and he answered, and I'm just trying to stay quiet now because honestly, like, he knows I'm here. So if he flies the river, then he should be coming in. Let's go. freaking believe that? Oh my God. I don't know why he kept walking past my decoys like that. I was wanting to shoot him farther. That's a beautiful bird. It's, well, I don't even know what time it is now. I think it's somewhere around 11 o'clock. I got set up at 7. So I mean, I've been sitting in that blind now 4 hours. What a bird, huh? Jeez. Hey, got it done right there. First turkey ever with a bow. It just worked, you know? I did not call much. I mean, I bet you there was times I went 20 minutes without calling. The whole thing was once I heard him gobbling behind me during that dang phone call with the credit card fraud. Once I heard him call behind me and I called back a couple times, I knew he knew we were here. Hey, there's another one gobbling behind us right now. Let's quit screwing around. Let's get another one. He's still out there calling, but he's moving away from us. I just need him to fly the river. He's on the other side of the river, just like this one was. Well, I assume that this is the one that came in. Hope he flies that river, baby. And now, I mean, I've heard him twice. I've called back twice. I think that's gotta be enough. I gotta quit calling and just let the decoys do their job. I might see something. This is bird number 2. Looks like he might be. I don't know what he's doing. I don't know, man. He's not like coming in. In fact, he's kind of going away. I don't know why. I don't know if he doesn't see, he's got to see my decoys. Maybe I just need to be more patient. Yeah, he must see them. You know, he could have seen me though when I was out there talking to the camera and getting that other bird. And I mean, because this one showed up. This turkey showed up within 5 minutes of shooting that other one. But completely opposite direction though. Maybe all my calling and stuff all morning long is sort of maybe drawn them in. I don't know, but he's not interested. I'm not going to keep calling. He's already heard me. Number 2. I was about ready to leave. In fact, it's hey man, if it doesn't give you buck fever, don't do it. It's 12:45. I told myself I was leaving at 12:30. But I just kept on hanging out. Bird number 2, dude. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's getting hot. Don't need to be quiet anymore. Oh, that is too cool, man. Let's go get it. Clean pass through with the arrow. Oh my goodness. I'm telling you, these T2 broadheads are deadly. Wow. Oh wow, that messed up that blade. Look at that. That blade is smoked. I don't know if you can see it in this camera, but I am shaking right now. Straight up shaking. Dude, 2 birds, 2 for 1. What's up? Huge birds. You know, while I was picking up that first bird, this second one started calling, right? From across the river. And I jumped back in my blind and started calling again, or started calling back for him. And he flew across and we saw him right over here, right? We saw him kind of come check us out. Then he walked away. It took him an hour and I think it was an hour and 36 minutes before he finally decided to come check out those decoys. So it just proves, I don't know if you've heard the theory, but turkeys have Alzheimer's. And what they mean is that you can spook them, but they'll forget why they got spooked, and then they'll come back, and we just proved that today. Stick with them, that's for sure. Stick with them, don't give up. If you spook them, just stick with them, man, because they'll come back, just like he just did. Turkeys have Alzheimer's. You know, I came out here and did something that I didn't know was gonna work. I set up a ground blind the day of. Actually, I showed up, set up a ground blind, got in it, and started calling. This is a place that I knew that there were birds, but I just didn't know if that was gonna work. But I had to do that. Well, I wanted to do that because I wanted to get a bird with my bow. And so it was kind of a gamble that paid off. And yeah, oh man, I'll tell you what, this turkey hunting is a kick in the pants.